everyone, so today we just arrived in one beautiful restaurant in the most Instagram worthy. I think that people just come here taking picture for their social media. So yeah, it's time to have a coffee o'clock. It's afternoon. Halo ya,
Perfect
makasih.
time came, huh? Thank you.
Alright. Boleh.
Brown
Gula
sugar,
merah.
please.
Oh ya, gula
Thank
merah
you.
ya, makasih. Alright, it's coffee o'clock. So yeah, we will show you the place. Basically, this is what Canggu offers. I know, Canggu again. We've got, even some people are text us in private message. Can you please not showing Canggu?
But, that's your show. You can show whatever you like.
So
You don't have a boss, babe.
This is what the different, right?
That's it. Always remember, be on your own, whatever you do. Business is business.
Right. If my boss at school say, you cannot teach this, I will not teach. But here, this is our boss. I mean, like we are the boss.
That's the thing. Cheers, Sayang.
Cheers. It is a very nice garden-looking restaurant with I think that this one is a Moroccan style. As I told you, you see like so many people are coming here, dressing up nicely. The ladies here, just making the picture. And yeah, I'll show you around the place. Basically, it's very nice garden-looking, right? And there is even a pool table here. I'll show you 360 basically and how it looks. So if you are influencer, celebrity or whatever it is, if you are the addicted of your social media, this place is must be for you. As you see, I'll show you on the top of the ceiling. It's very nice mural, basically, with nice, decoration. And this is the bar. And yeah, what I can show you on the top is there's beautiful garden and flowers. And this is actually what Canggu offers. People travel from different countries coming to Canggu just for like this. So what I can show you that on the right, also very nice boutique shop. Wow, if you want to shopping and if you want to have a food and beverage, chill, for have a coffee. So this is it. I didn't see like this kind of a place in Sanur or in Kuta or in Lagian. So, wow, it's very, very nice, cute place. No wonder then this place is, normally busy during the daytime and also nighttime. And when people say that Canggu is full of the influencers, and this is what actually Canggu offers. Many places with the Insta worthy. So I'll show you, with a slow movement, so you can see that how is the place. Basically, look from the outside and inside. With the pinky decoration, people working with their laptop, and yeah, this is I think the best spot whenever people are taking a picture. So I'll show you. And the ceiling, right, and the garden look. Yeah, it's very nice. Comfy sitting, basically, just like this, right? So yeah, see, people keep coming and coming and coming. Yes, and the majority people who come here is also ladies, right? And who crazy with the social media. But I can tell you that. So yeah, this is it basically. Very cute place in Canggu. Alright, so we decided to have a coffee and also something to share. This is a Greek something with the bread, honey, yeah? I don't know, but I just ordered because of the look so Instagram worthy. Semacam nego kayaknya. So we already had our coffee. Now it's time to stroll around to showing you how is Canggu, especially in the area of the Batu Bolong and Hawaii. It is so high. Let's show you around how it is.
Let's go, without stopping. This is the Canggu we usually, when we are here, when we are filming, we are driving around. But today we decided to walk a little bit around because it's also possible actually. Just there where is the junction, there is the brand new footpath, so it's even easier. But after that, a lot of things is going on. Bollywood here, they're gonna have a beer pong later on. And there is some other places, a lot of establishments everywhere around basically. That's without doubts.
Why Canggu is so popular? Just because of like this, like behind us, coffee shop. There are so many nice boutique shop, you know, clothes shop. So like all at once here. It seems like it is just like the shopping mecca for those of you who really like eat shopping. Not pray.
Not anymore.
Come on,
Sorry.
it's
No,
not
no,
that
no,
trend anymore. Eat, shopping, love. Canggu.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that's true. Nobody really anywhere about the praying anything and anywhere. The Gojek drivers, Grab drivers, that's the main junction here actually in Canggu. Usually you also film on the other side, and as Winnie said, a lot of fancy boutiques here actually. Perfect place for shopping and eating, technically. And probably love as well. Probably love as well. I'm not
So
sure.
if you want to find your Tinder date, go to Canggu. Put the dot in Canggu. You will find heaps of people who can match with you.
Yeah.
All right, so now we will show you around how is the infrastructure building in Canggu, because nowadays Canggu becoming like the first destination whenever you are coming to Bali.
Right, yeah. Definitely a lot of construction, and definitely they building the brand new system of canalization drainage together with the footpath, which actually it's made from the prefabricated concrete blocks, which now is a little bit different, but hopefully it's gonna work perfectly fine. So that's gonna look the situation. If you go there is the La Brisa and stuff, but also everywhere around you can go also and find so many nice restaurants. I think Santa Mera, this building, big one, is one of the top 5 best restaurants here in Canggu, at least I read somewhere. And that's also why people coming to Canggu, because it's surfing. Local boy with the tourist boy. Something like that.
Yes, people coming to Canggu basically just because of surfing, nice cafes, a nice restaurant, and then also
Love.
and also the best place for shopping. If you want to have a, you know, very nice quality, let's say clothes with a boutique quality, something like that, you see surrounding, this is just like the shopping mecca.
Okay, one more shot. Now is the road construction, so overall the constructions works and everything for the infrastructure. It's a little bit messy situation on the road. But after that, there is not that much traffic, at least in this specific part of Canggu. If we can name the situation what occur right here, right now, as there's no traffic. But that's how does it look like. Either way, after that, there are so many restaurants everywhere, even Vietnamese, and they're building like literally footpaths here. It looks a little bit messy, but it's still under construction. It's paid by the government here, as you can see, the Bandung Regency, they do with it. Now it's actually a little bit difficult to walk here. I hope so I'm not gonna fall down. Either way, the brand new footpath, so it's gonna look like anywhere else, like in Kutaleg and Seminyak and so on. And so many people actually driving around, and you can find so many interesting businesses. But that's how does it look like. Also, people likes to driving here big bikes without the helmets. This is somehow sign of the love and freedom, I think.
Yeah, so what I can see is that Canggu is becoming booming and hype first. before they plan the city. I mean, they plan this area. As you see that everything, the building already built, but now they start building the infrastructure. That's why traffic jam everywhere, you know, just like this, how actually the Bali government developing the infrastructure. They must be hyped first, and many tourists coming and bringing lots of money, and then they thinking about the development.
Right, that's the thing. Oh, look at the guy with the doggo, golden retriever driving. And yeah, basically like this one. People having speakers also with the music. Overall, a lot of people feeling freedom here, and that's regardless, local or tourists or Balinese or Indonesian. Well, it's 50-50 regarding the helmets. You can find people who wear and not, but this is actually, you know, personal thing. And of course, never-ending nice boutiques. Actually, I'm one of boutiques here. The very nice looking, attractive boutiques is huge. You can really find beautiful stuff here.
So we walk further and further basically. So this is how actually Canggu development. You see in every single corner now brand new shop, brand new boutique, still on progress. And yeah, look at this. And this is, they also already built the footpath basically. So never ending development in Canggu. You see, like on the right side here, it's just simply never ending development.
And of course, great options for the surfers, for surfing. I can guess, because you can see people surfing and surfers everywhere. We are going back to the place and just wanted to show you this BGS. Seems like a lot of people coming here. Actually, also ladies driving on the motorbikes. So you can, if you like motorbikes or scooters and you like ladies driving without helmet and wearing the nice outfits, you can find this in Bali, that's for sure. And also the people who likes to show up.
Alright, so now we just arrived in the Canggu Center, basically where the action, and behind me is the Love Anchor Canggu. You know, mostly if you don't have a time to go shopping in a Ubud traditional market or any other souvenir shop, mostly people coming here if you live or stay around Canggu, because obviously I think that the souvenirs that people sell here are more into the newest trend, and you see it like here, many young people actually in Canggu, right?
One good thing about making videos in Canggu and generally being in Canggu is that as nobody cares what are you doing, if you know what I'm talking about, and nobody distracts you like recently in Seminyak. What I was last time was so annoying regarding the, okay, motorbikes allowed everywhere, that's everywhere, but after that there is no Gojek drivers. You wanna ride, Gojek, grab and stuff like this one. Nobody's selling me any stuff next to Circle K, if you know what I'm talking about. This is very popular in Seminyak, Legian and Kuta especially.
No mushroom.
No mushroom. This place is free of this stuff. So this is what's also one of the reasons why actually it's not that bad here in Canggu. Either way, there is Mount Sherspoon and there is like a main junction here in Canggu. If you're gonna go there and ride, there will be Cafe Revolver and the legendary Canggu shortcut, which we're not going on today's occasion. Either way, that's also so many new restaurants and everything here. Also the construction of the footpath is also here. So they really actually building a lot of these footpaths here, but yeah, it's a little bit too late, but they still building it, so it's better eventually late than never. And there is Luigi's and famous Deus Ex Machina at the front. Deus Ex Machina was, I remember, I was still sitting there, there was surrounds only by the rice fields. Nothing was around. So a lot of things are new here, like this greens or whatever, money changers, shops, even the security here and everything. It's pretty new. That's only proof as the Canggu actually developing quite a lot. I just wanted to show you actually the junction there, where is the Canggu shortcut. Also, you're gonna find essential businesses here, like a Guardian Pharmacy perhaps, or any other pharmacy. Bosman, that's the burgers, not necessarily important, but they are also here, and there are also money changers and everything, like this one, money changers, banks. Everything is here already in Canggu. So, well, but that's new, nothing new, as Canggu is actually pretty busy and pretty developed already. But just wanted to show you. And also constructions everywhere. There must be. The shop gonna be renovated or changed into different business. And also, if you go there, where is the pit stop and all of those people going, there is the, like I said, in the corner, Cafe Revolver and legendary entrance to the Canggu shortcut. And that's how does it look like. Actually, it's not that crowded. It's not even like Ubud as you stuck in the traffic. It's busy, but everybody actually moving here. So it's good.
So this is actually what Canggu offers. I know that many influencers already showing how Canggu and everything, but from what we see and what we observe, you know, nobody even try to sell us something here. Even no bike.
Actually, not even bike.
Not even bike, you know. So yeah, I think that's all our video today, guys, from Canggu. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.